Investing in real estate is one of the most common and profitable forms of investment. However, it is important to be aware of the risks involved before proceeding. In this video, I will talk about the different types of real estate investments, factors to consider before investing, and some tips for getting the most out of this type of investment. And in the end, I'll tell you an incredible story. There are different types of real estate investments, each with its own characteristics. Buying an investment property to sell. This is the most traditional type of real estate investment. The goal is to buy an investment property at a price below its market value and sell it at a higher price, making a profit. Buying an investment property to rent. This type of real estate investment is based on generating passive income through the rental of the property. The goal is to buy an investment property at a price below its market value and rent it at a monthly rent that covers the management costs and generates a profit. Using crowdfunding. Crowdfunding real estate is a way of investing in which a group of investors invests in a real estate project. The goal is to achieve a return higher than that of a traditional investment. Before investing in real estate, it is important to consider some factors, including investment goals. It is important to define your investment goals before proceeding with the purchase of an investment property. Goals can be of a financial nature, such as generating passive income, or of a personal nature, such as buying an investment property for your own home, although I personally do not recommend it. Available capital. Real estate investment requires a significant initial capital. It is important to evaluate your available capital before proceeding with the purchase of an investment property. Risk. Real estate investment is a risky investment. It is important to assess your risk tolerance before proceeding with the purchase of an investment property. The risks are very dangerous, so I recommend following the channel to stay up to date and avoid them. Real estate market conditions. It is important to evaluate the real estate market conditions before proceeding with the purchase of an investment property. Here are some tips for getting the most out of real estate investment. Invest in properties in areas with good demand. It is important to invest in properties in areas with good demand, such as near hospitals or universities, in order to be able to rent them at a competitive monthly rent. I myself, by buying properties near a university, today I receive thousands of requests, and in this way I have the possibility to rent it at a very competitive price. Do a careful market analysis. It is important to do a careful market analysis before proceeding with the purchase of an investment property. It is necessary to evaluate the market price of the property, the management costs, and the potential return. Renovate the property if necessary. If the property needs renovation, it is important to evaluate the cost of the renovation and the potential return on investment. Make sure you have a good tenant. It is important to make sure you have a good tenant who pays the rent on time. It is advisable to check the previous rentals of the potential tenant before making important decisions. David Rose is an American real estate investor who made his fortune by buying properties near universities. His story is an example of how a well-planned real estate investment can be very profitable. Rose began his career as a real estate agent in New York City. In 1990, he realized that there was a strong demand for student housing. Rent prices were high and demand was continuing to grow. Rose began to purchase apartments and houses near New York universities. He renovated the properties and rented them to students. His plan worked very well. Rose made a significant profit and quickly built a portfolio of valuable properties. In 2000, Rose founded the real estate investment firm Rose Associates. The firm continued to purchase properties near universities across the country. Rose also began to invest in other types of real estate, such as office and retail space. Rose is now one of the richest real estate investors in the world. His net worth is estimated to be over $1 billion. Rose's strategy for investing in properties near universities is simple but effective. Here are his key steps. Identify universities with strong demand for student housing. purchase properties in these areas. Renovate the properties to make them attractive to students. Rent the properties to students at high prices. Real estate investment can be a profitable investment, but it is important to be aware of the risks involved. If you are interested in investing in real estate, I recommend that you learn more about the topic on my channel.